Okay, just a quick video on how to update a SOR customer sale or return agreement. So every time they update their overall stock, we would update this as an agreement, basically say that this is what they should be carrying. And if anything was to go sour, we know exactly what is rightfully ours and how much they potentially would owe us. So this one I'm just finishing off now. Just need to make a few changes here and this make sure that this matches your total stock and order sheet, which again is a more digitized Excel version of this exact sheet. So I can see you've got 9063s. I've got my stock and order sheet in front of me on my desk, but you can have it next to you on the system if need be. So I can see that they've got 9063s, 11096s, 11075s, 6100s, 5110s, 5054s, 2056s, 5027s, 2012s, 2019 AGM, 2019s, which has been bumped up to 4, and then the 3 lines of new stock that I covered in the previous video. So this is now completely up to date. What you would do is you'd go to the bottom of this. If you have a digital signature, you can always pop it on there, but you would want to print this out, sign it, and then send it off with the next order that they get. You know, if you've got an order that's already been added on, because we'd already be sending the new stock out, you may as well send this document with it. And once they've signed it and then sent it back to us, we can then scan this and file it as appropriate. But that's pretty much it.